Alright guys, Thursday and time to ground for 6:20, and today we're going to ride the elevator in the Charthouse Building of the Landmark Resort in Egg Harbor, Wisconsin. Now that last building that I said I didn't know I was in was actually the Harbor Building, but this is the Charthouse Building, and instead of having a door they have a ThyssenKrupp Aurora. So I wonder if they maybe modded this at some point, and it used to be... Actually, this is a Signa4, never mind. But yeah, this might have originally been Dover, but then they modernized it with ThyssenKrupp, but I'm not 100% sure. It's got a grocery beep, as you can tell. So anyways, here we are up at 2. Now, let's go down to 1, and ring the bell. Door close button works. So let's now get a cab view here. It looks similar to the other one except the walls are different, and this is a ThyssenKrupp and not a Dover. So anyways, here's your ThyssenKrupp nameplate up there with your indicator, your key switches, fixtures, and your phone. So now we're going to ring the bell. And now we're going to watch this close up. Here it goes. And that's it. Actually, wait a minute guys, there's a machine room out here. Let's set it up to 2 so we can listen to the motor. So we're going to go over here and see if we can hear the motor through here. And unfortunately we can't, we can kind of hear it, but it's coming through his vent, as you can tell. But yeah, you can't actually hear it from here, because like it says the elevator machine room accesses through this door, so there's probably no door you go through to like hear it well, and we can't even go through it because it's locked. But yeah, also notice that there are 2 doors here. The one on the left is labeled the port, and the one on the right is labeled starboard, which actually marks like different parts of the ship. So that's interesting how they label each room. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour, this elevator here, and that's going to be it.